There it is. There it is. I had to back out and do it. Here we go. All right, here we go, Ben. Whew. There goes all those silvers you was talking about. There's one silver. All right. They scare me, my nigga. I thought a nigga got nothing coming. Oh, come on. What we got in here? Dirt Nowitzki. Okay, we'll take dirt. We got dirt. Third pack. What we got here? Come on with it. I'm done. They gave me a silver. That's for you, Ben. Let me see. Here we go. Fourth pack. Nothing. Shoes. Jordan Clarkson. I'm fucking done. Fifth pack. Here we go. I'm done. They give a nigga fucking bronze. But I am getting some good, what you call it. I can sell these. How's it running? Pack 6. We gotta go somewhere. What we got? Air Jordan shoe that I'm about to sell. And some player I've never seen or heard of. Don't even know how to say his name. I'm fucking done. Pack 7. Here we go. Brandon fucking Knight. Oh, Kevin Garnett 90. What's going on? What's going on? I'm done. I'm done. Ah! Ah! I needed that. I'm done. Oh, I needed that. What is this? What kind of card is this? I don't even know what that is. They gave me a 90 overall KG. Is that temporary? I need to figure that out. That looks temporary. All right, here we go. Some bullshit again. All right, pack 9. Another Dirt Nowitzki. We have 2 Dirt Nowitzkis. 2K, fix your game. You give me 2 fucking Dirks. Pack 10. Uh-oh. It's something in here. It's shaking. What we got? Another Kevin Garnett. What the fuck? 2 KGs. I don't know. If we can sell it, we can sell it. We'll figure out what we can do with that. It looks temporary, man. Okay, here we go. We got 2 goals. What we got? Pack 11. Brooke fucking Lopez. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Pack 12. We got 2 Kevin Garnetts. Are those temporary? I want to know if I can sell that. I need to figure that out. That's all I can think about right now. Dwight Howard, 77. And some Jordan 5s. I can't get mad at those Jordan 5s. Them is clean. All right. And weak-ass Mike Antoni, the worst coach ever. Here we go. Pack 13. Ben, what we got here? Okay, here we go. Hassan Whiteside. Okay. Uh-oh, we got some shit. We got treats. We got treats. We got treats. We got treats. I see treats. What is this? Unleash it. What is it? What is it? Kawhi Leonard. We'll take it. We'll take it. He can sell for some coins. We'll take it. All right. Pack 15. 2 Kevin Garnett's and a Kawhi. That's not too bad. It could be worse. It could be nothing. That's what we got. I'm so fucking done. Give a nigga black man getting bronzes out here. Alright, here we go. Pack 16. We gotta go. Contracts. They give me fucking Morris. I'm done. We got 3 packs, ladies and gents. What we doing here, man? We got a gold. What is it? Hassan Whiteside. Okay, so we got 2 Hassan Whitesides, 2 Dirk Nowitzkis. I mean, come on, 2K. Dude, you could do better than this. Come on, man. You could do better than this. 2 packs left. I'm done. Tyreek Evans. That's what they give a black man. 2 left. What we got? 2 left. Oh, we got treats. We got treats. We got treats. Let's see what we got here. We got treats. Here we go. What is it? Blake Griffin. Okay. Okay, I can take it. It could be worse. It could be worse. 1 pack left, man. This is it. 1 pack left. Nothing. Nothing. That is it, ladies and gents. Making it out the Ruby, and this is what I get. Wait, how much is he worth? Oh, I guess that... What's up with this Kevin Garnett? Sent to auction. Why can't be sent to auction? It says you cannot send this player to auction. Why not? I can't send a player. Wow. I gotta sell him. I couldn't. That's crazy. Bro, I wonder, is that KG temporary or not? That's all I'm worried about. Cause Madden is temporary. I don't know. I just don't know. But I'm grateful for what they gave me. It could have been worse. It could have been worse. Now I can sell this and get what I want. All right, let me show you where I'm at. That was from the Ruby, and we are in the Amethyst.